In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Lottie files to Adalo. If you want lightweight, high-quality animations in your Adalo app, Lottie is a great choice. We'll walk through finding an animation, getting the JSON file, and displaying it in your app using the official Lottie Files component. Start by opening your browser and searching for Adalo. Head to the Adalo website and log into your account. Once you're in the editor for your app, look to the top left corner and click the plus icon. This opens the Components panel. In the search bar, type Marketplace, then click Explore Marketplace to open the list of available add-ons for your project. In the Marketplace, find the Lottie Files component. Click Install to add it to your app, and then click Done to return to the editor. Installing the component first ensures you'll have the right place to paste the animation data later. Next, open a new browser tab and go to lottiefiles.com. Browse for an animation you like and click it to open its details and options. Make sure the animation's license and usage terms are appropriate for your project. When you're ready, look for the Export as Lottie JSON option. Open that drop-down and click the download icon to save the JSON file to your computer. Locate the downloaded JSON file and open it in a plain text editor, such as Notepad on Windows or TextEdit on macOS set to plain text. Avoid opening it in a word processor that might add formatting. Select all the text and copy it. You want the entire JSON content exactly as it is. Now return to your Adalo editor. In the Components panel, find the Lottie Files component you installed and drag it onto the screen where you want the animation to appear. With the component selected, look at the right-hand Properties panel for the field labeled Lottie Files JSON. Click into that field and paste the JSON you copied. After a moment, the animation should appear directly in the Adalo editor. If the animation doesn't show, double-check that you pasted the complete JSON and that there aren't extra characters or missing brackets. You can resize and position the component on the canvas to fit your layout. Keep in mind that very large animations may impact performance, so choose optimized files when possible. And that's it. You installed the Lottie Files component, downloaded a Lottie JSON, and pasted it into Adalo to display your animation. Save your work and preview the screen to confirm everything looks smooth.